Faraday Future just announced a new executive share purchase initiative aimed at strengthening long-term company value, aligning employee interests with stockholders, and responding to concerns about potential illegal market manipulation and short selling. Under the program, certain executives and employees will voluntarily defer a portion of their base salaries over a 3-month period from March 1st to May 31st, 2026. The deferred compensation, estimated at about $500,000 after tax, will serve as the basis for the company to repurchase an equivalent value of its common stock, subject to board approval and compliance with securities laws. Once repurchased, these shares are expected to be transferred to participating employees and executives as compensation, effectively increasing their equity ownership in the company. This structure allows insiders to deepen their financial stake while supporting the company's liquidity and capital management strategy. Faraday Future positions this initiative as both a financial and strategic move. It aims to reinforce management's commitment to executing the company's long-term plans during a volatile market period, while also signaling confidence in the company's future. By increasing insider ownership, the company seeks to better align leadership incentives with shareholder interests. Additionally, the initiative is framed as part of a broader response to suspected illegal trading activities, including short selling and market manipulation. The company emphasized that it intends to act proactively and decisively to protect its market value and maintain investor confidence. It is also preparing a potential submission to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission regarding these concerns. Founder and global co-CEO YT Jia stated that the program reflects management and employee willingness to support the company during a challenging period, demonstrating commitment through concrete financial participation. Kind of like how you can more concretely participate in the market with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.